What up, guys? This your boy back with a quick one. Rainy day down here today, we at, but they got a dude, Fred Nash, be throwing the little car shows or whatever. We bored, so we finna go down there and see what's going on. I'm in the little car, my cousin driving Louise, so we just finna ride down here. Like I said, it's raining. I don't expect too many people to be out, but I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what it got to offer. You know what I'm saying? Usually most of the shows be pretty much the same crowd. You know what I'm saying? Just different people. He got a big following, so as far as people that come to shows and stuff like that, so we're gonna see. You know what I'm saying? Might be something to do down here. Who knows? But like I say, it's a rainy day. I got my doggone got my 360 camera. Finna try it. First time using it, so my wife got it for Christmas. So I'm gonna try to get some footage with that, just to play with it. And like I say, man, we're gonna go from there. Ain't no use of washing cars and shit because shit, it's raining. Smart cars stay clean, but that truck, if anybody know about lifted trucks with the wide tires, man, look like some sharks coming down the road, man. That shit be shooting up everywhere, so glad I didn't waste my time watching that truck. But like I say, stay tuned and hey, get over y'all, man, when I get out there. Peace.
I ain't even really look. Them bitches big as fuck though. Them bitches look like they might be 6 or
You need
8.
go.
You want all of them?
You can leave that one over you want to, sure.
Okay. If I'm standing in front of the one right here.
Walk around here, Jimmy, see what I can see.
You gonna see a lot down
Give me something real quick. No record there. Record some of that stuff you said.
You ever been back to Central?
Yeah, I go up there every now and then.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. Well, hell, my mama, she be coming down here. You know what I'm saying?
She's still on the lot.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's still up there. Yep. Yeah, she up there, so.
I had to call she was up there. Surprise.
Yeah, she there. She damn sure there.
That be over in the corner.
Huh?
That must like and clean air from there.
Which one? That Venom?
That Hennessy.
Yeah, that thing clean. Look at mine right there, guard.
Oh shit, you put some black wheels on that bitch?
I got them wrapped.
Who wrapped it for you?
Guy named Adam, he did my top too.
Oh, for real? Around here?
Yeah.
Oh, that bitch clean.
Finally got your eyes on. Finally.
I ain't seen that bitch forever, boy. That bitch clean, man. God, dog. Yeah, it's clean up, Jim. How you doing, man? In Pensacola?
Yeah.
I might need to get it done, but I need to get my other car wrapped again.
I see it too. Yeah, he did. Yeah.
I need to check that out.
Boy, bad.
Yeah. I tell you, you done had this motherfucker. I like this bitch here, man. I like this motherfucker here.
My name Jimmy, by the way. My name Jimmy. No. Good people way back.
Yeah.
Way back.
Shout out to Miss Sassy winning the best of show for a Jeep. Shout out to her. Turn around.
This truck? Yeah.
I see it right. I ain't never realized that before. That's okay.
Yeah, shit clean as hell.
There's no moving.
Yeah.
He gonna have to change it though. Oh, that thing going speed. I think it
Yeah, he was at that last show.
that'd be pretty big.
They damn sure did.
Huh?
They damn sure did.
Did they knock your frame?
Might be.
It don't look like it.
Probably what. But no, that's a standard. I don't know, nigga. Ain't no standard lip.
Yeah, that ain't good, 'cause it's so funny though.
They're supposed to be on the way.
Got a purple. He bought from the dude down south. Well, the dude down south had said somebody bought it. Then the dude who bought it sold it. And now the other dude, Detroit, done bought it. He tried to sell it to like me.
What, Impala?
Yeah, it's perfect. You know, we got them orders that you had on them.
Oh, for real? Oh, shit, I ain't seen it.
Probably most got them here probably 5 or 6. That's most. I mean, it don't look bad, but just the fact it's done half from hands, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That carbon fiber here on this bitch.
Oh, I ain't without that one doing it. That's all that man.
Huh? So I can stop it and re-record. Hold on. Yeah. We'll get that.
Oh, that's stop. He ain't chained up on them more. You really don't have to.
No. Which one?
What was that show we went to? Was that Destiny?
Yeah.
You got that Mustang over there.
Yeah, I'm finna walk over there.
He bought that Mustang you see? He bought that.
Who the bought it?
The dude that some Corvette. That one right there.
What antibiotic do they have?
I remember when this car first came out though. I remember when it got done.
Good line ass.
Huh?
Well, if they pay $40,000 for the wheel.
Who it was?
Yeah.
40,000 for the wheels.
Yeah. Shit. Oh, that's fine, man. He fine. Yeah, that's hard. He ain't playing with him. He ain't playing with him. It's that red carbon fiber, man, that do it, dog. It's that red carbon fiber, dog.
It's hard right here.
Yeah.
What that playing right there?
That thing sick.
What happened to that leg, boy?
I don't know. One day I just woke up and it just wasn't hitting right. It just went.
God damn,
You know
boy.
what I'm saying? I ain't hit nothing. I ain't getting no fight. I ain't.
Well, you're younger than us, boy. You can't be doing.
No, he's 40 now.
Oh, he's there.
Going to
Yeah,
40.
yeah, you up there now. Yeah, yeah, you with us.
So what
Yeah,
I'm saying
yeah,
is,
yeah.
He just hit it December 6th.
It hurt already.
yeah, I'm doing a lot.
See what I'm saying? Time me too. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, like literally, bro. But my body like, dang, you know, always.
He just look young. You see what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
for real though. God, dog, boy.
For real, man. Just hit it. So time he just hit it, he got hurt
You got
right
to win
after
the
this
game. You got to get in the game.
You
whether
got to,
it hurt
boy.
or not.
shit. Kobe did it. Kobe
Hey,
said, "I'm doing it for my
this the
fans."
For real.
blue game right here.
For the people that he said for the people that pay to come see me, man. I'm still like injured playing, boy.
Oh shit, for real though,
What
boy.
about them fans that come to see me, man?
You gotta do
They
it,
just
dog.
want to at least see me. They don't
gotta
care if
perform.
I'm hurt or not, man.
For real. Got to.
perform,
Got to. I seen the Baron pull up, didn't I?
He went down there with
Oh, okay. What a Mustang is.
right there.
Oh.
Oh, 4.5. That's hard.
I like to get a trophy, but no, this is best show. Right. That one. Yeah, that one
Well, it's clean, yeah. Got some work in this motherfucker here, bro. I got a train line walk right there.
Boots on the ground, kicking us some dust. Boots on the ground,
Yes, this is my canvas here. I had the idea in my head.
Shout out to my man Todd Gold over there. Man, taking me in late.
Thank you.
Matthew Mills, where you at? Uptown, downtown, all around town. Move. What you got? Huh? You ready? Alright, we're gonna let you put down this. You wanna roll it?
Man, we want to give a big shout out to Nash Car Show. Appreciate everybody coming out. Appreciate your reaching out to the opportunity to be a part of it. Sure, we are magazine the pilots for here in Pensacola. We do everybody good in time. So I'm going to give this award to the O'Connor Edwards with the flag and 6 wins. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I like that line, man. We're going to give you our sponsor choice of how, again, we are really
I know this car fast right here, boy. I know this car fast right here. So I could stop it and then re-record on it. Yep. All right. And you know that dude that had the red C8? What was that show we went to? And was that Destin? He got that Mustang over there. He bought that Mustang you seen, he bought that. The dude that he had some Corvette. It was a blue Corvette. That one right there. That's it. That's his car. $40,000 for the wheels.
carbon fiber.
It's hard right here.
Anything yet?
No,
You will. Just wait.
I don't know about that.
You'll probably get one of the medium circles that I'm giving out. Like, do you think it's about 25?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll probably
You want to give one of that, like, trophy to you guys?
It's a carbon fiber on this thing, man. All day long. Hell yeah, they got 1,000 some horses in your car. How many they made?
91.
91. Okay, that's what it's.
That's all we're going to make is 91 of them.
I wonder who got the first one.
I don't know.
Probably
It was
Bear
a
Jackson,
It
somebody.
was a burgundy color one that they were selling as the first one. I didn't like the color as well as I like this.
Oh, okay. I like this color.
I
Yeah.
like this color, you know.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice up.
But
Go all that goddamn noise. Yeah. I got a badge up under here.
A few minutes later.
It's free to watch.
No, run it back first.
All right, watch it again. Watch it. I'm gonna go again like the fat girl told the skinny man before she had twins. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Where that ball is just like that. Which one? Which one? Which one?
Oh, Pan. He
You
won.
had 100.
Yeah.
Did you put it up and turn it up?
Like a ball
He
play.
turned that
You
bitch
ain't
on.
got to set it up.
He ain't been running.
Watch this shot. Watch this shot. Don't say shit, y'all. Y'all see it, get it for yourself. What's up, young blood? Watch this one. See it? It's free to watch. Watch this one. A, B, or C. Which one, y'all?
A.
Hell no. Which one, big man? Don't cost you nothing. I love you. Watch this shot. Which one? Who seen it? They didn't say it was this one or this one. Which one? Get out the way. Did you see it?
Yeah,
Don't laugh at me, big man. Don't laugh at me.
Hey, that's my nephew. We ain't no ballers, man. You sure know? You sure? No, do it again, man, because we ain't got money like y'all, boy.
Watch
Shit.
it. Watch it. I'll do it
Oh,
again.
that was
Watch
it.
this shot.
Yeah, I got
Watch
to say, it was it. That was it.
Which
Yep.
one? Which one? Show me 5, I'm gonna give y'all every goddamn 1,000. Which one that time? Show me 5 and get y'all 1,000 one time. Which one? If I get y'all 1,000. They missed it.
Yup.
Shit.
Nip on your
Watch,
ass.
watch.
Shit,
I ain't gonna call the blue. 5 and 5 is 1,000. Watch this shot. Watch this. Which one that time just like that? Hey, y'all blood. Hey, you gotta have a mustache to play, but it's free for you. Watch this shot. See it?
Let me watch. Let me watch.
Which one just like that? Just point that ball. Y'all think y'all see it? Which one, sir? Just point that.
I
Don't
ain't
cost
see
you
it. I
nothing
ain't
for
see it.
Which one?
I ain't see it. I wasn't paying
Watch,
attention.
Run it back. Run it back.
Watch, run it back?
Yeah.
Watch it.
Y'all help me watch. Y'all help me, y'all.
Watch this
Y'all
shot.
help me watch.
Watch it. Which one? 1, 2, or 3. Who seen it? A?
Oh, I had it too.
No, y'all didn't.
Y'all help me, y'all.
1, 2, or 3. Which one just like that? Who seen it? Which
Tell
one?
me.
Which one? Which one?
I got it. The one he said, Young Blood.
No.
I thought you said he didn't
Which
want
one?
it.
Point at it.
Oh.
This one, which one, big man? Point at it.
The first one.
Just point at it. Don't talk to me.
Oh,
Damn.
he missed out. That nigga want a double bonus.
Watch it. Show me you got 1,000.
Show me you got money, you win.
Watch it.
I'm all right.
Watch. Turn over for free. Turn over
No,
for
fuck
free.
what y'all do, man.
Oh, show me you got it. Don't make a game like that.
Go ahead.
Show me anything. Show me
Pay that,
anything.
man.
Anything
You got it.
if I know how much to pay you.
I tell you, you good.
Watch. I love you. Watch this shot. Anything if I can pay you.
Nah, you good. You
He
good.
wanted my nephew
Watch.
to grade.
I got it all sweaters and no better. Which one before y'all go? You point at it then. All right, so which one? Point at it before you go. Don't cost you nothing to point. Just point at it. Which one, man? This one?
You got
Which
it.
one? This one here or this one? Which one? Point at it.
No, he said this one.
This one?
Bro, that got it.
You know, it's on me.
He
It's
got
on me.
it. He got it. He got it.
This on me.
You got it.
Which one you said it was? This one right here or this one? Point at. Which one? Show me stuff I can pay your ass. Show me anything.
Right there, buddy.
I love it.
I'm alright.
Where you from, big y'all?
Right here.
You right here with
Y'all niggas all the time.
Can we just see what's
I see
right
y'all
though?
niggas all the time.
Yeah, nigga.
That's all, folks.